Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle of carrot, only way. Peel and slice carrots thinly and salt them briefly to remove excess water. Combine vinegar, water, sugar, and salt in a pot and bring to a gentle simmer to dissolve ingredients. Pack carrots tightly into sterilized jars, pour hot brine over them to cover, seal jars, and let them rest at room temperature to develop flavor. In this video, I will show how to make pickle of carrot, only way. Measure your vinegar to water ratio and adjust sweetness to taste before heating. Toast whole spices briefly to release oils and fold them into the hot brine for deeper aroma. Pour the boiling brine over carrots in jars to slightly soften them while preserving crunch, then seal and allow flavors to marry for at least 24 hours before tasting. In this video, I will show how to make pickle of carrot, only way. After sealing, cool jars to room temperature and move them to the refrigerator for cold storage. The pickle improves overnight and reaches best flavor after a day or two, though you can sample early if impatient. Always use clean utensils to remove pickles and keep them submerged in brine to maintain texture and prevent spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.